Hello student, it is my part 2 video of the video that I have earlier made regarding the major changes and minor changes in the new criminal act BNS, means Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So, what are the major changes that has been done in BNS? So, first changes that has been done in BNS is that definition of child is introduced. So, definition of child has been introduced in BNS. Second is that transgender definition is included in the definition of gender, which was not there in IPC. So, the transgender definition is included within the definition of gender. Third is that electronic and digital records are included in the definition of document. Fourth is that the definition of movable property is widened to include property of every description. So, the scope and the definition of movable property has increased. Fifth is that new chapter of offences against women and children is introduced. Okay. So, sixth is that new chapters on inchoate offences like attempt, abatement, conspiracy is introduced in BNS. Seventh point is that new offences like organized crime. So, new offences like organized crime, terrorist attack or acts, petty organized crime, hit and run cases, mob lynching, hiring a child to commit offence, sexual exploitation of women by deceitful means, snatching, abatement outside India, acts endangering sovereignty, integrity and unity of India, publication of false and fake newses, etc. have been introduced. So, according to the changing situation in our society, the BNS has also adapted those changes in it. So, these kinds of offence were not there in IPC. So, BNS has introduced this kind of new offences in it. Now, 8th point is that attempt to commit suicide is deleted. So, attempt to commit suicide has been deleted, which were there in IPC. Ninth is that beggar has been introduced as a form of exploitation of trafficking. This was a much needed thing we need in criminal law. Begging means many people exploit the poorer section for begging, and they used to traffic child from the poor families. So, this thing is very needed thing they have introduced in BNS. 10th change is that in the definition of grievous hurt, the number of days has been reduced from 20 days to 15 days. So, in grievous hurt earlier it was 20 days, now it has reduced to 15 days. 11th point is that community service is provided as a punishment of theft less than rupees 5,000. So, community service is a new concept which is there in Canada, UK, USA. So, this concept has been taken from there. Okay. 12th point is that reorganization of offences are made wherein similar provision have been clubbed together. Okay. So, these are the major changes that has been done in BNS. So, now what are the minor changes they have done in BNS? At 9 places, one archaic expression like lunatic, insane, and this will be idiot have been done away with. Okay. So, this lunatic, insane and idiot have been done away with this at 9 places. Okay. So, colonial and second is that colonial remnant like British calendar, Queen, British India, justice of in peace have been deleted from BNS, means IPC. So, they are not there in the BNS. In 44 places, court of justice have been replaced by court. So, court of justice has been replaced by court. Fourth is that uniformity has been brought in use of expression child throughout the BNS. And fifth is that contemporary style of drafting has been used in BNS. So these are the major and minor changes that has been done in BNS. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and also share this video with your friends. That's all for this video. Now I will make a separate video in which I will give section wise lectures about BNS.